Hello, children. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In the last class, what we have discussed about the structure of the tooth. That is, I told the tooth has two parts mainly. What are they? Crown and root. Crown is visible to us, root is not visible to us. About that we have discussed, and how to take care of your teeth, and some tips also I have told you about taking care of our teeth. Now we shall discuss the last topic in this lesson. About tooth we have completed no whole. Now we shall see about microbes. What are these microbes? We shall see in this class now. See, what are the microbes means? These are very small living organisms. See, microbes are tiny living organisms. Tiny means what, children? Small. Remember that. Again, don't think tiny means something. What is this new word? See, I'm writing here, tiny means small. They will be very small. We can't see them, that much small they will be there. Okay. Okay, now see, microbes are the very small living organisms that cannot be seen with the unaided eyes. Means with our eyes we can't see the microbes because they are very small. Then with what help we can see that? Means with the microscope. Okay, by using this microscope we can see the microbes. We can't see with our eyes. Only with the help of the microscope only we can see this what? With microbes. Remember this point. Can you see the microbes with the help of eyes? Means you should say no. Then with what instrument you can see the microbes? Means what will you say? Microscope. Now moving to the next point. See, microbes are found everywhere, that is in air, water, in soil as well as in our food. Okay, these microbes will be there everywhere. In air they will be there, in water they will be there, in soil, matti. Okay, and in our food also it will be there. In everywhere these microbes will be present, and they are also found inside and outside our body and that of the other animals. In our body and animals, inside they will be there, outside will be there. Everywhere these microbes will be present. Like us only, how we'll eat food and how we'll take inside oxygen, yes or no? All the microbes also will do same. How we are living organisms, how animals are living organisms, the microbes also similarly like that. They also need what? They also take the food. They also have what? Moisture, oxygen, and particular temperature they need for living. Like all living organisms like us, animals and plants, they also need what? Food. They need moisture, oxygen, temperature for to survive. Survive means what, children? Living. For living, all the microbes need all this. If they ask microbes are living organisms or not living organisms, you should say that microbes are the living organisms only, like us. Okay, see, in the microbes also again there will be two types. They will be there, some useful microbes will be there, some not useful microbes will be there. We shall learn one after one. See, some microbes are useful while some can cause diseases. I told you no, now only some will be useful, some microbes, and some microbes will also cause diseases. Some are useful for us, some causes danger for us, means we'll get various diseases. See, here they gave near what? Four main kind of microbes. In microbes, four are there mainly. What are they? First one is what? Bacteria. What is this? Bacteria. Second one is what? Virus. This is the second type of microbe. Third one is protozoa. Protozoa. Last one is what, children? Fungus. Okay. These four are the main important microbes. What are the four important microbes? Bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungus. Okay. Now we shall learn about, I told useful one are there, non-useful one are there. Now first we shall learn about the useful. Which microbes are useful for us? We shall see now. Wait. See here, children. First one, what is a? Microbes like yeast are used in making bread and the bun. These all are useful microbes, what I am saying for you. Okay, remember, don't think these are not useless one. These all are the useful microbes. First what we are learning. Microbes like yeast are used in making the bread and bun. Okay, this yeast is one microbe. For what it is useful means for making bread, bun and making some alcohol. So this yeast will be useful. Okay children. Next one is what? Microbes like lactobacillus. Okay, this lactobacillus bacteria, what it does means it will change from milk to curd. Every day your mother will change milk to curd, yes or no? Night time what we'll do in the milk, we'll add some curd, 1 spoon or 2 spoons of curd. If we add to the milk, what it will happen? Morning milk will be changed to curd. With the help of what? With the help of this lactobacillus microbe only, the milk will be changed to curd. So for purpose of changing milk to curd, this microbe, what is that microbe? Lactobacillus bacteria is useful. Now third one is what? Some microbes help in the digestion of food. Okay, in digestion of the food also, these some microbes are useful. Last one is what? Some microbes help in the decomposition. Decomposition means rotting. Kullipaina antam kadana, rotting of the dead plants and animals. Means what? Means, see, some dead plants and animals will be there, no? From that some nutrients will be released, like carbon and nitrogen will come outside. Again where they will go, this nutritious one, carbon and nitrogen means, again they will go into the soil only and useful for us. Okay, who is doing all this means this microbe. With the help of these microbes only, they are decomposing whatever the dead plants and animals will be there, no? Decomposed means, remember, rotting, kullipaina, paadaipaina antam kadana, that one. What will happen? These dead plants and animals means, from that we'll get the carbon, nitrogen, such nutritious one. Again they will go into the soil and they will be useful for us. Okay, these all are about the useful microbes. Yeast, lactobacillus. Okay, some will be helpful in digestion and some I told while in the decomposition of the dead plants and animals. Now we shall see other types of microbes. Till now we have seen which are useful. No, now we shall learn about which are harmful. Harmful means dangerous. These are very dangerous. With these microbes you will get many diseases. Now we shall see what are those microbes, what are the microbes names and what the diseases. Okay, the disease causing microbes are mainly this one only, 4: bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungus. Because of all this we will get diseases. Now we shall see what diseases will get because of this. Okay, see here. Some microbes cause diseases too. I told now only, no? Disease causing microbes are called germs. This is very important, friends. They will ask what is the other name of disease causing microbes. What will you say? Germs you should say. The other name of disease causing microbes is what? Germs. Disease causing microbes are also called as germs. Germs. Now some of the diseases caused by these microbes are given below. We shall see now. Wait. Now can you see, children? See here what they have given, some microbes and diseases caused by them. Okay, these are the different types of microbes, and because of these microbes what diseases we are getting. First one is, these are the 4 microbes which are dangerous. First one is bacteria, second one is virus, third one is protozoa, fourth one is fungi. Because these are the microbe names. Okay, because of this bacteria microbe, what disease we are getting? Typhoid fever, you know, no? Tuberculosis means severe cough you will get. Next, pneumonia. Can you see this? Wait. First one is what? Because of this bacteria microbe, what disease we are getting? Typhoid. Next is tuberculosis. And the next type of disease is what? Pneumonia. Nimmostadantam kadana, that one. Okay, these microbes are such dangerous. Okay, they will ask question, because of bacteria what disease you will get? Typhoid, common cold, malaria means what you will say? You should take the option typhoid. Now moving to the second type of microbe, virus. Okay, virus is a microbe name. What diseases you will get because of this virus means common cold, polio. Now we are getting one more disease also because of the virus. Because of that reason only, without schools, you are enjoying at home nicely. What is that virus name? COVID-19. Coronavirus. Yes or no? COVID-19. This is also caused because of what? Virus only. Coronavirus అంటాం కదా, పేర్లోనే వైరస్ ఉంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వాట్? Third one, protozoa. Okay, protozoa is also microbe name. Because of this protozoa, what you are getting disease? Malaria fever you will get, no, because of the mosquitoes. That one. Last one is what type of microbe? Fungi. Okay, because of fungi, what disease you are getting? Athlete's foot and ringworm. Athlete's foot means what? Ringworm means what? You all know, tamar antam kadana. Similarly, this one also like that only, all rashes we will get. Okay, these four are the very harmful microbes. Because you should learn this table perfectly. They will ask because of protozoa which disease you will get. Typhoid, common cold, malaria, ringworm they will give. You should tick which answer. Because of protozoa, malaria. For fungi, if they ask, ringworm and athlete's foot. Virus means common cold, COVID-19, polio. Okay, why we got COVID-19 name? Why they gave in the year 2019 we got that disease, no, that's why they gave name for that as 19. CO means what? Corona. VI means virus. D means disease. Okay, this is the full form of COVID, children. CO means corona, VI means virus, D means diseases. So you should remember whole this table. These are the harmful, dangerous microbes, and because of these microbes we are getting these diseases. They will ask you in exam, because of virus what diseases you will get, or because of fungi microbe what disease you will get. Okay, and now one more activity is there, last one. If we do this, it will be completed, this topic. I'll zoom it, wait. Now can you see, children? Okay, what is the task they have given? Already I have written answers. Okay, use the following clues and complete the crossword given alongside. Okay, some clues they have given. According to that we should give the answer. Here numbers are there, across, down. Okay, 2, 4, 1 and 3 are there, no? First one is what? Second one, disease caused by the bacteria. Where is the 2 number? You see, across means what? Horizontal, like this, no? By bacteria what disease you will get? Typhoid. So right here letters are sufficient or not? TYPHOID, typhoid spelling correctly we got here. Okay, next one also should match. First next one what they are asking here, 2 is over. First here one number is written what? 1. First question we shall see now. Disease caused by the fungi. Fungi means nothing but fungus. Ringworm. If I wrote ringworm, is it sufficient or not? R. Because in typhoid already I came. If I write here R, it will become ringworm. RINGWORM. Next, moving to the fourth one. This R is there, no, related to that one. You go, fourth is there. See here numbers are written. 4 is written here. Disease caused by the protozoa. What is the disease caused by protozoa? Malaria. If you read the table perfectly, it will be easy for you. Okay, first time now, read the table, you can do these answers easily. Malaria, MALARIA. Okay, next, last one. Third one what they gave? Disease caused by the virus. POLIO, polio. Okay, these are the diseases caused by the microbes. By this we have completed the second chapter also. In the next class I will give you notes, and if you are having any doubts, please you can contact me or put in the comment box. And till now we have completed 2 lessons now, children. Now what you should do means, you can prepare one short notes. What is meant by short notes means, instead of reading whole lesson, what you should do, suppose if you read one para now, this microbes whole lesson, whole page it is there about this matter. From this you should write only important points. From whole that page you will get 3 to 4 important points. No, you write that at one place. Any book you keep. Okay, for each subject you keep one book, and for each lesson you should prepare short notes. Okay, suppose the textbook is of 200 pages. From 200 pages, you should make from each lesson short notes. It will come for how many? 20 to 30 pages. Short notes will be completed. And next time, what you should do, without reading whole the 200 pages textbook, what short notes you have written, all important points you'll write. No, if you refer that one, enough. Okay. This is the best way for reading the lessons. One time or two times you should read the lesson. Next, try to prepare the short notes. Okay, by this I am ending the session. We shall meet in the next class. In the next class, I'll give you notes of this. Stay at home and be safe. Don't go outside, children. Okay. Day by day, cases are increasing. First, it is attacking for your children only. Be safe. Thank you. Bye bye. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.